friends, I'm Shilpa from Mystic Vision by Shilpa. Today I'm going to talk to you about Magic Reiki Fast Cash. Magic Reiki Fast Cash is given to us by Diane Wolf. She has channelized this and copyrighted this modality in January 2016. This is a magic infused Reiki system that draws fast cash to you. It works to help money flow quickly and easily to you as and when you require it. When you need to have some cash in your pocket right away, for whatever reason, it may be big or small, this energy system helps you to get it in unexpected but positive ways. Yes, you do not have to fixate yourself regarding the source of money. You will be taught the easy and simple ways to use this form of Reiki. The energies of Magic Reiki Fast Cash are easy to use. It works to help set in motion your desire for some money to come to you fast. It allows you to be ready to receive the money when you need it. Money flows to you for whatever you want it for. Come, join me in this workshop to learn the easy ways to infuse this Reiki when you need money almost quickly. You will be attuned to this system, and from that very moment, you can start using this modality. You do not need to have prior knowledge of Usui Reiki or any form of Reiki. This system can be learned on its own as well. Learn some simple tricks and tips which I will be sharing during the course of the workshop to receive money. The details are given in the description below to connect with me. See you. Take care. Bye-bye.